Want to know how to enable 2FA or two-step verification in well-found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your wellfound.com website or AngelList. So we have also created similar videos of well-found, so make sure to watch it. So once you're onto your profile, and make sure you are logged in, and on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here, your profile picture. Just simply select that and then select edit profile right here or settings. So once you have selected settings, you should be on the general right here, and on the left side you should also be seeing two-factor authentication. Just simply select that. So now once I've selected two-factor authentication, as you can see right here, two-factor authentication has been disabled, and in order to enable it, you can just simply select set up an app. Now make sure you can just simply install an authenticator app and then scan it and then just simply enter your code and then just simply click enable right here, and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.